Welcome back. This video will show you the inner workings of Channable, giving you a feeling of how the tool converts your data feed into advertised items. I will walk you through the different screens you will probably encounter when first starting. Logging into Channable, you will first arrive at the Projects screen. Projects are the second level of Channable's internal structure. On top of projects, there are companies. By creating your first account, you will also get one company in Channable. Projects then are a way to divide your company. For example, if you have multiple web shops or store views from your e-commerce platform, or when you advertise in different countries, you can use multiple projects. Let's say that you own, for example, a company for home and living products. For this company, you own two domains, homeandliving.com and livingandhome.com. Both run on their own e-commerce platform, in which you handle orders, create invoices, and manage your products. In Channable, you would create a company in which you have two projects, one for the import from homeandliving.com and one for livingandhome.com. You could even divide this further when both platforms are available in multiple languages. Now, when we dive into a project, we first see the dashboard. This is an overview of everything that is happening in this particular project. How many items you have imported, how many channels these items will be exported to, and when the last update has been. Moreover, if enabled, you can also see the performance of your items through your analytics integrations, your orders revenue, and/or some repricer statistics. For now, we will look at the third level of Channable structure, channels. In the tab Setup, we see the first type of channel, the import channel. Import channels are what we call data feeds in the first video. As stated before, they can be based on a custom file, such as an XML, CSV, TXT, JSON, or spreadsheets, or an e-commerce platform, such as Magento or WooCommerce. In feeds, as well as APIs, we see the second type of channel, an export channel. Export channels are essentially the different advertising platforms that we use as a seller or marketeer. Depending on the way we send the data, they are categorized under feeds or APIs. A feed is a file that can be sent to another platform which contains your item's data. Examples are comparison websites such as Google Shopping, Idealo, or PriceRunner. APIs are direct connections with export channels, which makes it possible to immediately send and retrieve information from the export channel. A few examples are Amazon, eBay, and Bull.com. APIs often have the possibility of retrieving open orders as well. More about this can be learned in one of our other courses or our Help Center. Another additional functionality we offer is the PPC tool, in other countries also abbreviated SEA for search engine advertising. With this, you are able to quickly and intelligently build dynamic advertisements in Google Ads and Microsoft Ads. In short, the concept of Dynamic Text Ads tool is the ability to generate thousands of text ads that will also be shown to potential customers when they search for the keywords you set up for your items. This functionality also offers shopping campaigns, a way for you to structure your Google Shopping advertisements better and more effectively. Last but not least, Channable is also able to retrieve orders in real time, so it gives you the opportunity to fully synchronize all your marketplace orders. This means that you can automatically send all your orders directly to your e-commerce platform, where you can finally handle everything from one place. To summarize, in Channable, you are pushing products to an export channel based on your import channel, which is either a custom file or a supported e-commerce platform. Channels are set up within a project, which can be a web shop, a language, or any other type of division you want to make. The Dynamic Text Ads PPC tool is an extra functionality that can save you a lot of time and money. And the order connections will make the whole process of order handling way easier and centralized. So, now that you are familiar with Channable's basic functionalities and its position in the world of e-commerce, we can start with the training on the functionalities that Channable supports. In the basic courses, we will help you grasp the basics of what the tool can do. In the expert courses, we will expand on this and enable you to dive deeper and more independently into the tool. In the focus courses, we will cover some more of the advanced functionalities that the solution offers. They are all related, but you can choose to pick the courses that you want to do, instead of doing all of them. Of course, we recommend doing all the courses to get to know as much as possible. Enjoy and good luck!